Let me discuss about Grok AI. We already know how to work with Grok AI for text generation and image generation. By using Grok AI, even we can generate videos. Not only videos, we can generate a large videos like 1 minute videos with Grok AI. So for video generation, the most important thing is the character consistency. So there are so many AI tools available right now, right? But the important thing is we need to generate character consistency videos. So for any prompt that will generate something, these AI tools generate something with any prompt. But generating character consistency videos is the most important thing in video generation, like a filmmaking, shorts, reels, or ads, games. For this, we need to create with the same character for n number of videos. How to generate character consistency videos with Grok AI? Let's see how to work with character consistency videos with Grok AI. First, I want to generate a script for video generation. For that, I'm using Claude AI. There are other large language models available like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Copilot, Google Gemini, DeepSeek. So you can use any one of these large language model to generate a script. But most of the time, I'm using Claude AI because Claude AI gives better results for scripting, logical thinking when compared with other large language models. That's why most of the time I'm using Claude AI. One more important thing is when you are working with important projects, you can cross check with other large language models as well. So if you have time, you can check with other large language models at a time. Generate with all large language models and copy paste all results. And finally, you can ask to generate the final output with using all these results. So then only you will get the better quality results, quality outputs from these large language models. For now, I'm using Claude AI, just asking to generate, like, I want to generate a video for kids. Characters are male, female, butterfly, kids. Within 60 seconds, generate script for it. Keep remember that should be suspicious for every 5 seconds. That's it. I want to generate a video for kids. Characters are male, female, butterfly kids. Within our male characters are 3D. 3D. Enter male, female, butterfly kids within 16 seconds. Keep remember that should be suspicious for every 5 seconds. So it is generating a script. Just copy this script, right? Just copy and paste somewhere and then ask to generate for this. Now I need to image prompt for every scene. The first one, this is the first prompt I'm using in Grok. See, in the Grok, click imagine, and then we can see create images, create videos. Here we can generate a videos, images. You can change the aspect ratio like 2:3, 3:2, 1:1. See, other AI tools giving the aspect ratios like 16:9 and 9:16 as well. But here, when it comes to Grok AI, it is not providing 16:9 ratios, 9:16 ratio videos. For that, you go with editing tools like Adobe Premiere or any other editing tool. You can change that aspect ratios accordingly. Just paste this prompt, enter. I'm generating images first. Let's see, here it is a video, but change it to image. Enter, generate a. See, these are the images. This one is nice. The first one, second one. This one is good, right? Just ask this or copy these prompts, at least 5 prompts, paste somewhere. and again ask to generate script for every scene. So again, it is generating a script for every scene. So now it will give the detailed script. This will help us to make better quality videos. Now see the with the dialogue, with the sound effects, it is generating script, location, everything. Just copy this a script. Even it will suggest the camera angles as well. Just go to Grok, paste here. I selected this image and generating a video from this image. Wait for a second. Basically, it will take 2 to 3 seconds to generate videos or images. This is the way how we can generate character consistency videos. I will tell you, if you use text to video prompts, there is a problem with text to video prompts. I will tell you. See, this is the video we generated. This is nice, right? For a next prompt, next scene, see, now I am using the second scene prompt. Here, I'm not using any images. Directly, I'm asking to generate text to video. Here, I'm not using any images. Directly, I'm asking a text to video prompts. Let's see what happens. Directly, I'm asking to generate a text to videos. So the problem with a text to video is, see, this is a completely different character. But I don't want this different characters. I want the same character for the entire video. So when you work with text to video generation, the character consistency is missing. So to avoid that, go back. This is the first video. Click on it. This is the first video we generated, right? At the end of the video, just right click, copy video frame. Copy video frame and paste here. Just copy the image from the video. Paste that image here. So when you paste that image, see, it is looking like this, right? Now, see what happens when I paste image, it's automatically generating a video. Without giving a prompt, it's automatically generating video. This is because here in the Grok AI, let's see, once it is generating video, I will tell you why it is automatically generating a new video. See, it is automatically generating a new video, but I don't want to generate automatically. To avoid that, go to settings. Here, click on it, go to settings. In the behavior option, go down, enable automatic video generation. So because of this, it is automatically generating videos when you paste image. When you disable this option, it won't generate automatic videos. That's it. Now again, go back. Already we copied that image, right? Paste here. So now it is not generating a video automatically. For this image, I am giving the second script. This is the second script which we used for the previous. We used previous, but it is not generated a character consistency video. For now, I am using the same scene text for this image. Just paste here and enter. Let it be generate the video. Now you understood, right, how to disable automatic video generation. Go to settings, the settings behavior option. Go down, disable automatic video generation. It helps you to make image to video with your own prompt. So it is generating a video with a character consistency. This is the second video we generated with the same character consistency. Again, at the end of the video, you can copy video frame. So now again, go back and paste here. This is image, right? This is the image and select the third scene. paste here, just enter. So now I'm able to generate character consistency videos. So these all are the small tricks to generating videos. When you are working with filmmaking or corporate ads, games, these all are the important things. So this is the video we generated. Again, copy video frame, go back, paste here, and generate the next scene. Here, paste here. So likewise, you can generate all the scenes. Once you generated all scenes, go to video editing tool, combine them and edit the video. Before that, you can generate audio for these videos. We'll discuss about that also, how to generate audio. So we can use 11 labs for audio generation, or even we can use 11 labs, and also we can use a studio. See a login, live images, audio. See in the audio session, see single speaker audio. Here is a text to speech. These are the videos we generated, right? If you want to generate one more, you can do. Just copy this. Copy, and before that, you need to take a screenshot, right? Let's see. Go back. Here, they're unable to see their faces, but let's see. Giving this prompt, enter. So now just ask to the same cloud to generate audio for each scene. Generate audio for each scene. Background sound, scene, Tommy. Okay. It is generating a dialogue audio. So when you are working with films, this will help you. So these all are the videos we generated. Just see, go here, see in the favorites, click favorites. These all are the videos we generated. So you can see the character consistency throughout the video. Now generating audio script. These all are the dialogues. See 9. Let's see first scene. Girl voice. Tommy, look a magical butterfly. This is the first, see, girl voice, right? So go to 11 labs here, paste here. Tom, look a magically butterfly. This is girl voice. You can select here. For example, the voices. Go to voices. See here the default voices colors trending filters. If you want to filter, you can do that. See, first I am going with female, female, middle-aged, old, young, any, young, conversion, characters, animation, choose language. This is English. Apply filters. Now go to text to speech. This is Atami looking magically butterfly. So just generate speech. If you want to change, you can do that. Just generate speech.
Tommy, look, a magical butterfly.
That's it. So same like with 11 labs or Google AI Studio. In the Google AI Studio already tell you, right? See, you can generate text here, right? This one, or even you can select the voice style instructions here. It is, oh, just simply enter. Voice, you can select here voice, just enter. uh, See, this is also looking like a female audio, but you can change here. Here you can change the video filters by using video filters, male, female, age, everything. So this is the way how to generate videos with character consistency and audio generation. This is all about a Grok AI. What I did so far means first I generated a script. With that script, I generated a text to image prompts. By using text to image prompts, I generated a image. After generating image, generated image to text prompts. By using image to video prompt, generated a first video. After generating the first video, I used as a image reference of the video last frame. After that, I generated image to videos by using the last image of the video. This helps you to make character consistency throughout the video. Script, text to images, images to video. Here I am using image as a last screen of the previous video. This helps you to make a character consistency throughout the video. This is all about how to generate character consistency videos by using Grok AI.